It's day 9 of our morning intentions journey. And we've already built an incredible foundation for our well-being. Today, we are going to practice mindfulness in a more nourishing way through our breakfast. And this isn't just about what we're eating, but how we're eating. And how the simple act of eating can support our intentions, our health, and our happiness. Let's explore what mindful eating is and why should we care. Mindful eating means bringing your full attention to the experience of eating. Savoring each little bite, noticing all of the flavors, textures, and aromas, and tuning into your body's signals of hunger and fullness. This is about eating on purpose with intention rather than autopilot. I don't think you need me to remind you that there have been plenty of times where you have eaten on autopilot. Whether it be sitting in front of the television or eating while you're driving, it doesn't really matter. That kind of eating isn't fully immersed in the experience and appreciating what we're eating. Research has shown that mindful eating can have effects on both our physical and mental health. Mindful eating practices have been found to help reduce overeating, support healthy digestion, and even improve metabolic health. I myself lost weight when I started paying attention to what I was eating, being more particular about the food I was eating, and eating less because I was connecting with my body and listening to those signals of hunger and fullness. Mindful eating has also been linked to lower levels of stress and anxiety around food. We can enjoy our meals more greatly and have a better and more positive relationship with our body when we are listening to it. This is a skill that can help break unhelpful cycles of emotional or distracted eating and replace them with habits rooted in presence and self-care. The theory behind mindful eating draws from mindfulness-based stress reduction, or MBSR. The core idea is that by bringing non-judgmental awareness to each moment, including our meals, we foster greater self-understanding and self-compassion. When you eat mindfully, you're not just feeding your body. You're also nourishing your mind and spirit. And the easiest way to practice mindful eating is to start by slowing down. Before you take your first bite, notice your food, the colors, the smells, the arrangement on your plate. As you eat, chew slowly. Notice the flavors and textures. Put your fork down between bites and listen to what your body is telling you. Are you still hungry? Are you satisfied or full? Notice any thoughts or emotions that come up and just observe them without judgment. Today we'll be eating breakfast slowly and with full attention. You might be surprised at how different your meal feels when you really savor it. I'll be guiding you through the process and helping you connect your daily intention to the experience of eating. Before you begin, find a comfortable seat at your table or wherever you would like to eat. Place the food in front of you and take a moment to simply look. Notice the colors, the shapes, the way it is arranged. Now take a deep breath in and appreciate any aroma that you have from your food. Gently close your eyes or lower your gaze. And bring your attention to your breath. Inhaling deeply and feeling gratitude for the nourishment before you. As you exhale, release any distractions or feelings of being rushed. Bring to mind your daily intention. Perhaps it's gratitude, or energy, or self-care. Hold this intention gently in your mind and imagine infusing your meal with the energy of that intention. Before taking your first bite, pause and acknowledge the journey that your food has taken from the earth to the hands that prepared it to your table. feel a sense of appreciation for all of the effort and care that brought this nourishment to you. Now take your first bite. Notice the texture, the temperature, the flavors as they unfold in your mouth. Chew slowly and mindfully. And as you swallow, imagine your body receiving this nourishment that provides fuel for you in the day ahead. Continue eating this way, one bite at a time. Put your fork or spoon down between bites. With each mouthful, return your attention to the present moment and your intention. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the taste, the smell, and the feeling of gratitude. How does your body feel as you eat? Are you still hungry? Or do you feel satisfied? Are you enjoying the meal? Are there any emotions or thoughts that come up? Observe them all with kindness and curiosity, without judgment. When you've finished your meal, take just another moment to sit quietly and feel gratitude for the nourishment you've received. Notice any shifts in your mood, your energy, or your sense of connection to yourself. Mindful eating transforms a daily routine into a moment of self-care and presence. By connecting your intention with your meal, you deepen your awareness of both your body's needs and your inner values. This helps you build a healthier, more joyful relationship with food and supports your overall journey of living with intention. Next time, we're going to be combining two of my favorite things, journaling and clarity. Remember to take time for yourself to nourish your body and spirit through mindful eating while you're carrying your intention with you throughout the day and every meal.